This is amazing CTR effect, and if you wanna master it, stay tuned in the video. Firstly, go to the effects panel and expand video effects, then expand distort and drag and drop lens distortion to your timeline. Now change the curvature to around 20 to get a nice curvy look. Now uncheck fill alpha for black background and go to effects panel and search for mosaic effect and drag and drop this effect to your timeline. Now go to effects control and change the horizontal block to around 400 and also change the vertical block to around 400 and check on sharp colors to get amazing sharpness. Now go to effects and search for grid effect and drag and drop this effect to your timeline. Now change the blending mode to overlay and change the color of the grid to black. Now change the size format from corner points to width and height sliders and change the width to a higher number around 4000 and height to a lower number around 8, and your amazing CTR effect isn't ready, and now you can use this in your next video. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you learn anything new then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Then keep creating and make your amazing facts.